Revised? Ryan, turn on a camera. Done. Revised? Ryan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please turn on camera. Yes, Harshit. Tell me that how bleaching powder is prepared. How bleaching powder is prepared.
Sir, bleaching powder can be prepared by passing electricity to the concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride.
Okay.
And so this process
Yes.
is known as chlor.
Just a minute. So what is yes, Maha? Can you answer me this question? How bleaching powder is prepared?
The Hasen-Clever process.
Hasen-Clever process. By Hasen-Clever process, we are just going to prepare. And what is the process? How what we do in the Hasen-Clever process actually? What we do in Hasen-Clever process? We pass chlorine gas to. We pass chlorine gas to slag lime. Yes, you, Aisha. What is the common name of bleaching powder? What is the common name of bleaching? Oh, sorry. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder? What is the chemical name of bleaching powder? Unmute yourself. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder?
Calcium hypochlorite.
Calcium hypochloride. Okay. Yes. Rayyan, tell me when NaO. How we prepare NaOH? How we prepare NaOH? Caustic soda. How we prepare NaOH? Tell me. Rayyan, are you there in the class? Rayyan, are you there? Okay, yes, Maha, tell me that how we prepare caustic soda, NaOH.
By passing electricity through a concentrated aqueous solution by uh, sodium chloride.
Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. And what we get on anode and cathode? Which gas is obtained at anode and cathode?
At anode, it's 2Cl minus negative.
Which gas is obtained at anode? Gas, chlorine gas, simple. 2Cl minus will donate the 2 electron, will form chlorine gas, na? Which gas is obtained? Yes, you, Aisha, tell me which gas is obtained at anode, sorry, at cathode. During the preparation of caustic soda, which gas is obtained at cathode?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen gas. Okay. So you write this question first and then try to answer this question, please. Note down this question in your copy. Note this question and try to answer this question, please. Rayyan, you are there and you are just adding one more device. Rayyan Aslam in waiting room.
Yes, sir.
It's saying Rayyan Aslam in waiting.
Yes, sir. I have just joined with my another account, sir. The voice is not clear, sir, in mobile.
Done, noted. Done. Tell me fast. Done.
Yes, sir.
So what is saying that a compound X on electrolysis produce a strong base? What is the compound X?
CaOCl.
CaOCl is a strong base. Compound X on electrolysis gives a strong base.
Sir, NaOH.
What is compound X? What is compound X? NaCl. Aqueous means in water. On electrolysis means electricity is being passed here and it is giving you what? NaOH plus chlorine gas plus hydrogen gas. So it is saying a strong base. Why? It is X on electrolysis gives us strong base. Base is NaOH, it is a strong base. Why? With the two gases A and B, with two gases A and B. So this is A gas, this is B gas. Okay, A and B. A is used to manufacture bleaching powder. A is used to manufacture bleaching powder. So which gas is used? Here it can be A or it can be B. But it is saying that A is used for manufacturing, sorry, B is used to manufacturing bleaching powder. So B is, what can be B? Tell me. What can be B?
Cl.
Yes, B will be Cl2, chlorine gas. Okay, we can write A through this one, but it is saying B is used, so B should be chlorine gas. Because it is used for bleaching, for preparing bleaching powder. How we prepare bleaching powder? By passing calcium hydroxide with chlorine gas, you will get CaOCl2 plus water. Understood? Yes or no? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So note it down this one. Note it down fast. Done? Yes or no? Done? Note it fast.
Sir, done, sir.
Yes, other students also done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here, just a minute. Note down question number 46 in your copy. Note down question number 46.
So it's not visible.
Is it visible now? Not visible.
Now it's visible.
Visible now? Okay. Do it.
46, right? Sir, which question?
Question number 46. Done. 46.
So you have to note down the question, right?
Yeah. Done. So what it is saying in the question? Tell me fast. A dry pellet of common base B, when kept in open air, moisture turns sticky. The compound is a byproduct of chloroalkali process. Identify the compound B. What is the compound B? Can you guess? What can be compound B?
NaOH?
Yes. What type of reactions occur when B is treated with acidic oxide? Write a balanced chemical reaction. B is treated with acidic oxide. So acidic oxides are noted, everybody. Questions? So what it's saying? Write a balanced chemical reaction when B is treated with acidic oxide. So are the non-metal oxides are acidic in nature or metal oxides are acidic in nature? Tell me. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature or metallic oxides are acidic in nature? NaOH is common base B and we have to write its reaction with acidic oxide. So can you give me an example of acidic oxide? Harshit, you and Rayan and Aisha and Noha, can you give me the examples of acidic oxide?
So CO2.
CO2 is an acidic oxide. So when it treat, what it will give you?
Na2CO3 plus H2O.
Na2CO3 plus H2O. Why? Because it is a base, it is an acid. So acid when react with base, it will give you salt plus water. Same NaOH when treated with let another non-metallic oxide is non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Are acidic in nature. So when they treat, they will give you Na2SO4 plus H2O. Okay, note it down, please. Na2SO3, it would be Na2SO3, not SO4. If it is SO3, then it will be SO4. You have to write here, you have to clear this one that it should be SO3, sodium sulfite. And if it is NaOH treated with sulfur trioxide, NaOH treated with sulfur trioxide, then it will give you Na2SO4. One oxygen become extra. Note it down fast. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now the next salt. Next salt is baking soda. That we're going to study baking soda. So what is baking soda? Let me study baking soda first. How baking soda is prepared? Preparation of baking soda. That baking soda is actually sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. That is called baking soda. Harshit and Rayan, you please concentrate here, please. Sodium
Yes, sir.
hydrogen carbonate is called baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is called baking soda. So if you have sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, and how it is going to prepare, let me explain you. First, we went to the market. We bring ammonia gas, NH3 in the cylinder, okay, and we have sodium chloride and we bring calcium carbonate. So these are the raw material that is being required for the preparation of baking soda. Got it? Ammonia gas, NaCl and water. Now what we did, we take concentrated solution of NaCl and water. This is called brine. But when we pass ammonia gas to it, it becomes ammonical brine. Ammonical brine. What we called it? Ammonical brine. Understood? What we called it? Ammonical brine. Okay. So ammonia, when it added to this one, it will become ammonical brine. Now, when you pass carbon dioxide to it, and from where this carbon dioxide comes? It comes from on heating calcium carbonates. So when you heat calcium carbonate, because carbon dioxide gas is costly and we need this CO also. So when we heat this calcium carbonate, just concentrate here, everyone, I'm going to ask you. When you heat calcium carbonate at 900 degrees Celsius, then it will give you calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. And this carbon dioxide gas is passed, through this ammonical brine. NaCl, water, and ammonia gas mixture is called ammonical brine. It's called ammonical brine. Got it? It's called ammonical brine.
Yes, sir.
So when you have NaCl, water, and ammonia, and you pass carbon dioxide to this one, and this carbon dioxide come from on heating calcium carbonate. So if someone asks you that what are the raw material being required to prepare baking soda, so that is calcium carbonate, water. Water we don't consider as raw material because water is everywhere present. Ammonia gas and NaCl. Okay. So we first mix NaCl and water, that make concentrated brine. Then we pass ammonia gas to it. It becomes ammonical brine. And then we heat calcium carbonate, and the calcium carbonate on heating gives carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is also passed through this ammonical brine. Then it becomes,
Sir,
yeah,
what happens to calcium?
calcium. It becomes calcium oxide. That's carbon dioxide. Means we pass only gas. Now this gas is passed to this chamber, and calcium oxide remain in the bottom, so it will remain as it is. Okay. And this will give you baking soda and NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. This will form PPT. We filter, and this one is in aqueous form. So this is in aqueous form in water. So ammonium chloride is formed in aqueous, and this baking soda is formed in solid state. Okay, now you Harshit, explain me that how baking soda is prepared.
Sir, first we'll get the raw materials, which is NaCl and NH3. So, sir, first we'll pass H2, first we'll take CaCO3, we'll heat it at the 900 degrees Celsius to get a CaO and plus CO2. So, sir,
Okay.
when we pass,
Okay. Then
sir, then when we pass NaCl plus water and water and NH3, it will give you uh,
what is the name of
chemical
NH3? What is the name of NH3?
ammonia.
Ammonia gas. So what is the mixture named as NaCl plus water plus ammonia? This, what is the name of this mixture?
So brine,
Ammonical brine.
ammonical brine.
Ammonical brine. Okay. Okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, so that will gives you baking soda. Baking soda from PPT that can be easily filter and can be separated. Okay, so this is the way that how baking soda is prepared. Understood?
Yes,
Understood? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so noted down this one, baking soda, and the process by which it is prepared is known as solvay process. We called it solvay process. Note it down fast. Let me see in my chair because there's so much here. Done? Noted everybody?
No, sir.
Note it down fast, please.
Sir, we have to do till down, right?
You have to, what do you think?
Like full page, right?
No,
Everything.
note up to here. Then I'm going to explain you further. You have to note, but right now, note up to here.
Done, sir. Then.
So only the equation.
NaCl plus water plus ammonia, that is ammonical brine. Yeah, only the equation.
Done, sir.
Done? Now,
Yes.
this is prepared. This is the preparation of baking soda. Baking soda is only sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaHCO3 is baking soda only. NaHCO3 is baking soda. This is only baking soda. Okay, but when we add some edible acid to it, some edible acid such as tartaric acid, that is
Acid.
called edible acid. So when we add edible acid to this baking soda, yeah,
What's tartaric acid?
tartaric acid is a name of acid that is present in the tomatoes. Okay, it is a tartaric acids. When we add tartaric acid to it, it will gives you
Baking powder.
it will make together the mixture of these two is called baking powder. This is called baking powder. Okay, this is called baking powder. So what is the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Can you tell me? Can you tell me that what is the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Yes, Maha. Can you tell me what
Baking soda, we cannot.
baking
Baking soda
soda?
is used in cooking to to expand, like we are in bread usually to, so it like expands the size of it.
Okay. Next. Yes, you Rayan. Can you answer me this question?
So I think baking soda cannot be used in cooking purposes because
Baking
we cannot eat that.
I'm not
baking
asking
powder
what
can
is.
be
You have to
used.
answer me that baking soda is only sodium hydrogen carbonate and baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and some edible acid like tartaric acid. Got it? It is a mixture of tartaric acid and baking soda. Okay. Now, if I ask you one question here, that is, just to concentrate here. If I ask you that you have NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, and it is added with tartaric acid, that is tartaric acid, or any edible acid like citric acid also, edible acids. So if these acids and sodium hydrogen carbonate is added, why we are adding this one? The question is, what is the role? What is the role of tartaric acid in baking powder?
For cooking purposes, sir.
Yeah, we use it for cooking purpose. It is named as baking soda.
To
Baking
remove
powder.
the bitter taste.
How? Okay. And why we are removing, and how can we say that it is bitter in taste? Why baking soda is bitter in taste? Question comes that why baking soda is bitter in taste. Yes, Harshit, answer me. Why baking soda is bitter in taste?
So because we're adding like edible acid in it.
No. If you are adding acid to it, then it will not be bitter in taste. It should be sour in taste. Yes, Ryan. Why powder is bitter? Baking soda is bitter in taste.
So because it's base.
Why it is basic in nature? Yes, Aisha. Why it is bitter in taste?
Because it is an alkaline.
NaOH when treated with H2CO3. Okay. H2CO3, then it will gives you NaHCO3 plus water. This is the salt. This is its acid, and this is its base. But here it is a strong base, and here it is weak acid. So a strong base when react with weak acid, it will give you basic salt. And basic salt means? Basic salts means? Tell me fast, basic salts means? It is bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. So if it is bitter in taste, so what we can do? So if we add this bitter substance in the food for food purpose, then what it will give you? It will make your substance of bread pakoda or whatever you are making, it will make it better. So why we are adding substance to this so that it become big? So simple is that because sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. And when you are adding tartaric acid to it, tartaric acid to it, then this is a basic salt and this is an acid. So acid when react with base, this is acid, this is acid, tartaric acid, and it is base. So base plus acid will gives you salt plus water, and salt do not have bitter taste. So because when tartaric acid is added to water, sorry, tartaric acid is added to baking soda, so it will neutralize its bitter taste. It will neutralize it bitter taste. Okay. Ryan, you go and wash your face, please. Go and wash your face. You are
Me, sir?
yawning. You are yawning here. Go and wash your face. I think you are about to sleep. Go. So what is here is NaHCO3. When react with tartaric acid, it will neutralize the bitter taste. It will neutralize the bitter taste. Got it? It will neutralize the bitter taste because basics, because sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. Its parent acid is carbonic acid, which is a weak acid. H2CO3 is a weak acid, and this NaOH is a strong acid. Weak acids.
Sir,
Yes.
the electricity got cut off, so I got disconnected. Can you explain how it neutralizes the bitter taste?
Okay. So I'm saying here that NaOH is a NaOH. If I give you the parent acid and base name of this sodium hydrogen carbonate, so when this sodium hydrogen carbonate is formed when NaOH react with H2CO3. So NaOH is a strong base and H2CO3 is a weak acid. The strong base when react with weak acid, what it will give you?
Salt.
Salt, but that salt will be basic because strong base and weak acid is there. Na? Do you understood? It is a strong base because when NaOH, which is a strong base, react with H2CO3, it will gives you NaSCO3 plus water. So because it is strong base, it is weak acid, it will gives you basic salt. Basic salt. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, if I'm talking here is that this NaOH, when react with H2C, it is so when we add NaCO3 and added some tartaric acid, which is going to have acids. So you know it is basic salt, it has bitter taste. So base when react with acid, it will give you salt plus water. And salt do not have bitter taste. Basic salt have bitter taste, but when it react with this one, when acid is reacting with this one, so it will neutralize it up to some extent. Okay. Second, when metal hydrogen carbonate or metal carbonate, when react with acid, they gives you carbon dioxide plus salt plus water. Means second role of tartaric acid, first role is that it neutralizes the bitter taste. Second role is that this tartaric acid help in production of carbon dioxide, because when sodium hydrogen carbonate or any metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, it will gives you salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is the normal chemical reaction, whether it is metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. When it react with acid, when it react with acid, it will gives you salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. And what is the role of this carbon dioxide? Actually, this carbon dioxide get filled in the okay, in this dough, and when we keep this dough in the oven, then this carbon dioxide will escape out and leave the space vacant and make the bread fluffy. Let me try to show you if this video is play somewhere. Okay, present somewhere. Okay, so you can check here if I'm going to show you, so here you can check that this is the batter that is made by adding baking soda, and you can check that it is very spongy. You can check here that it is very spongy. It has here water molecule, sorry, carbon dioxide trapped in it. When you keep it in the oven, then during that time it will become more carbon dioxide will be removed from this one. Okay, and it will become simple, if I say, more air space and more spongy. Okay, so this is the way that this baking soda batter is prepared, and when you add it, then it is going to, okay, the simple is this one. Okay, so baking soda help in neutralizing the bitter taste, and second, it help in production of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide help in making the bread fluffy. Okay, so please note it down. Note it down, please. Rayyan, are you there in the class? Rayyan. Done this one?
Yes.
Okay. You done? Maha?
So to note down only the commercial use or like the other equations too.
Other equations also to here. Rayyan, are you there? Rayyan, are you there? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we have a question. Question number 44. Is it visible to you now? Do question number 44 in your copy. Try to solve it in your own words. Noted. Done. Done.
No, sir, last one.
So what should be the answer? That for making cake, baking powder is taken. If at homes mother uses, okay, if at homes the mother uses baking soda instead of baking powder, so what? How will it affect the cake and why? What should be the answer for the first question?
Sir, the baking soda can be converted into baking. No, sorry. The taste of the cake will be slightly bitter due to the use of baking powder because baking soda is a basic salt that has a bitter taste.
Good. That has a bitter taste. Okay, next, because it is basic soda. Yeah, how can baking soda be converted into baking powder? Yes, Aisha, tell me, how can baking soda be converted into baking powder?
By adding weak acid such as tartaric acid.
Okay. What is the role of tartaric acid added to baking soda?
When tartaric acid is added to baking soda, it will convert the baking soda to baking powder as it is a edible acid.
Role. What is the role?
So it will neutralize the taste, bitter taste.
It neutralize the bitter taste, and secondly, it help in production of carbon dioxide, which help in making the bread fluffy. Okay,
Yes.
so note the answer here. Note this answer. What is the role of edible acid in baking soda, baking powder? It help in, note it down. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have done, you may leave.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you will discuss the test like you said.
Yeah, I have to discuss the test, but I am having class right now. So I told the team to arrange a class with you. They might arrange the class tomorrow surely. Okay.
Okay.
We will ask them if the time slot is free, then they will arrange the class for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
We'll discuss each and every question, but don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have done this one, noted this one, then you can leave.
So finish, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from where to exit, sir?
Here's a leave button will be coming here with a small door at the corner. They're saying leave. A person. A person will be there. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. So,
Yes, everyone. Anam, Saad, Sara, Hanan. Please turn on your camera. So last topic that we have studied, we were doing concentration terms, na? And we did solubility also. Okay. Here we have some questions. You have to do that one. Calculate mass by volume percentage and mass by mass percentage and also solubility of the solution when 25 gram maximum NaOH NaCl can be dissolved in 50 gram of 50 grams of density of solution. Did you take out of 50, did you take 75 here? The density of solution. Density of solution is please note it down. Done this one? Yes or no? Done? What's the formula for the mass by volume percentage? Anam, Hanan. Hanan, please turn on the camera. Saad and everyone, please, what is the formula for the mass by mass percentage? Tell me, nobody. Sarah, can you answer me this question? What is mass by mass percentage?
Sir, the formula?
Yes, mass by volume percentage. Formula for mass by volume percentage.
Mass of solute by volume of solution into 100.
Yes. Mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Okay. So mass of solute is? Yes, Anam, how will we convert? This is there volume of solution is given in the question? Is there volume of solution is given in the question or not? Hmm?
No, sir, it's not given.
It's not given. So if it is not given, then
So
what
we
we will
can
do?
density is equal to mass upon volume, and then we will divide mass by density, so that's how we can get the volume.
Density is equals to mass upon volume. Very good. So mass by density, this volume will goes upward. Density will be equals to volume. So what is the mass of the solution? 75, and density of solution is 1.25. Divide it and get the answer, please.
Sir, 60.
So 60.
Good. 60. Now calculate the mass by mass by volume percentage. Yes, Rafe, why did you join late? Rafe, why did you join late?
Sir, I don't know when the class was.
Do it, please.